Did you know your Toyota has hidden features built right into the factory that most owners never find? You've been driving your car every day without knowing what it can actually do. That's wasted potential sitting in your driveway. Today I'm revealing 13 secret Toyota functions that change how you drive, protect your car, and save you money. Stay until the end. And before we dive in, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now. I share honest car tips that dealerships never tell you. Feature number 1. Key fob window roll down. Press and hold the unlock button on your key fob. Your windows will roll down automatically. No, that's not a glitch. That's a factory feature Toyota built in for one reason: heat management. When your car sits in the sun, the interior gets dangerously hot. Plastics crack. Electronics wear out faster. Your AC works twice as hard. This feature lets the hot air escape before you even open the door. Your AC cools the cabin faster. Your system lasts longer. Most people think this is some aftermarket trick. It's not. It's controlled by the body control module. It stops the moment you open a door or release the button. Once you start using this in summer, you'll wonder why Toyota never told you about it. Feature number 2. Hybrid warm-up logic. If you drive a hybrid Toyota, you've probably noticed something strange. The engine runs longer than expected on cold mornings. Or it shuts off suddenly for no reason. Don't panic. This is completely normal. Toyota designed hybrids to warm up carefully before hitting full efficiency. The engine, battery, and emission system all need to reach the right temperature first. Once they do, your fuel economy improves and your system runs cleaner. Many owners take their hybrid to the dealership thinking something is wrong. Nothing is wrong. Understanding this logic alone could save you hundreds in unnecessary service visits. Feature number 3. Emergency start with dead key fob. Dead key fob battery. Feels like a nightmare. You're standing in a parking lot. Your car won't respond. You're about to call roadside assistance. Stop. You don't need to. Your key fob contains a passive RFID chip. Even with zero battery, that chip still works. Hold the fob directly against the start button and press it. The car reads the chip and starts normally. No battery required. No app needed. No signal needed. Toyota built this specifically so you're never stranded. It's been part of their push-start design for years. Knowing this one feature turns a stressful situation into a 10-second fix. If this is already saving you money, drop a thumbs up right now. It helps more Toyota owners find this video. Feature number 4. Feet power window memory reset. Changed your battery recently? Disconnected it for any reason? Your automatic windows might have stopped working properly. The one touch up or down feature disappears. The window moves strangely. This isn't damage. This is a safety reset. Toyota power windows use stored memory to know where fully open and fully closed positions are. When power is lost, that memory clears automatically to prevent the motor from overworking or pinching something. The fix takes less than a minute. Fully lower the window. Hold the switch down for 3 seconds. Then fully raise it. Hold the switch up for 3 seconds. Done. Memory restored. People pay dealership labor rates for this fix every single day. Now you don't have to. Feature number 5. Auto relock protection. You unlock your Toyota and then get distracted for a moment. By the time you reach the door, it's locked again. Most people think the key fob is broken or the system is glitching. It's not. Toyota automatically relocks the doors if they aren't opened within a short window of time. This protects against accidental unlocking in your pocket, a child pressing the button, or theft in busy areas. It runs in the background through the body control module. Once you understand it, the behavior feels smart instead of frustrating. Feature number 6. Infotainment soft reset. Touchscreen frozen? Responding slowly? Apps not loading right? Do not disconnect the battery. Disconnecting the battery causes far more problems than a frozen screen. Warning lights. Lost settings. System relearning cycles. Toyota has a built-in soft reset. Hold the volume or power knob for several seconds. The system safely reboots on its own. Settings stay intact. Electronics stay undisturbed. This is always your first step when the screen misbehaves. Always. Feature number 7. Hidden tire pressure display. Many Toyota owners buy a tire pressure gauge because they don't think their car shows that information. It does. Toyota hides it inside the multi-information display to keep the dashboard clean. Access it through the steering wheel buttons or vehicle settings menu. All 4 tire readings are right there. Proper tire pressure improves fuel economy. It keeps your steering accurate. It helps your tires wear evenly. It reduces stress on your suspension and brakes. This feature is free. It's already in your car. Use it. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. I cover real Toyota tips that save time and money. Hit the subscribe button and never miss a video. Feature number 8. Toyota App Hidden Controls. Most Toyota owners download the app and use it for remote start. Then they stop there. Big mistake. The app includes vehicle access sharing controls, guest permission limits, and background system settings that affect your battery life over time. You can give a family member or teenager access to the car while limiting what they can control. You can manage which features run in the background and which don't. Toyota built this as a full vehicle management tool, not just a remote starter. Owners who dig into these settings get better control, fewer surprises, and a healthier battery. Feature number 9. Safety system relearning after service. Wheel alignment done. Battery replaced. Suspension repaired. Now your lane assist feels off. Steering feels slightly different. Adaptive cruise seems slower to react. Don't book a return appointment yet. Toyota safety systems don't reset instantly. They relearn. Cameras, steering angle sensors, and yaw sensors collect real driving data to recalibrate themselves gradually. Toyota prefers this because it reflects actual road conditions instead of guesswork. A few short drives at normal speed is usually all it takes. Drive smoothly. Stay in your lane. Avoid sudden inputs. The system will settle on its own. Quietly and accurately, exactly as Toyota intended. Feature number 10. Driving mode memory behavior. You left the car in sport mode. You come back the next day and it's in normal. Toyota didn't forget your preference. It made a deliberate choice. Some Toyota models always start in normal mode to protect the engine during cold startup. The transmission, hybrid system, and emissions components all warm up better under balanced conditions. Sport and Eco modes are designed as temporary adjustments, not permanent states. This isn't Toyota limiting your car. It's Toyota making sure your car performs the same way for the next 200,000 miles. Feature number 11. Automatic headlight sensitivity logic. Your Toyota headlights don't just respond to darkness. They respond to speed, ambient light, and even your windshield wipers. When the wipers turn on, the system assumes visibility is reduced and activates the headlights earlier. This helps other drivers see you in rain, fog, and spray before conditions get dangerous. Some drivers think the headlights are turning on too early or staying on too long. That behavior is intentional. Toyota is anticipating risk, not reacting to it. Once you understand the logic, the system feels smart. Because it is. Feature number 12. Interior light customization. Your Toyota's interior lighting isn't fixed. Fade timing, door activation behavior, and auto shutoff can all be adjusted through the vehicle settings menu. This reduces battery drain when a door is accidentally left open. It also lets you personalize how the cabin feels when you get in and out. Toyota hides these options to keep the menu simple, but they're there. Once adjusted, it's one of those small changes you notice every single day. Bonus tip: key fob battery saver mode. Here's one most Toyota owners never find. Your keyless system communicates with the car constantly, even when it's parked for weeks. That slow background activity drains the battery over time. Toyota built a sleep mode directly into the key fob to stop this. When activated, the car reduces keyless sensor activity. Battery drain slows dramatically. This is especially useful during vacations, long trips, or extended parking. Most owners replace their battery not knowing this mode exists. Toyota designed it to prevent exactly that. 13 hidden Toyota features. All factory built. All designed to protect your car, save you money, and make daily driving easier. Most Toyota owners will never know any of this. Now you do. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Which of these features surprised you the most? Or did you already know one of them? Drop it in the comments below. Let's see how many Toyota owners were actually in the 1%. And if you want more tips like this, subscribe right now. The next video covers more hidden Toyota secrets that could save your engine. You don't want to miss it.